let's make a squishy. So first, I'm just gonna pick out what beads I want to put in there. So I think I'm gonna put some of these blue, purple, bingsu beads with some hearts. I kind of had to like fluff this out, but now I'm just gonna open it on up with my tweezer things. Okay, wait, I do need to open this. Okay, now that this is open, now I'm gonna have one hand opening this, and then, so I'm just gonna close it all up. And then now, I didn't fully close it, just did that so I could get these ready. Okay, there we go. What is happening? There we go. Now I gotta close these up. Now I have these pieces, I'm just gonna add them in. I'm just gonna kind of mix it like this. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna take this and take out all of the air. I don't know why I said that. I'm just gonna fill this up with some glue. Just some activator. The reason why I did that is because I forgot to make slime before adding it in. So we're just gonna do that instead. Now I just need to put this in. So I'm gonna glue it. Okay, this is what we're looking at. I need this to dry, so I'm gonna kind of like zip tie it, I think. Gotta do something here. This is what it looks like. It's very nice, actually. You need to let it dry just a little bit more, but then we're good. One last squish. Go watch my haul if you don't understand. Okay, this is pretty much it. It's really nice. Bye, like and subscribe.